Good morning. This is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and today we have Heather Evans with ServPro of Brunswick, Columbus, and
New Hanover, and now Pender.
Now Pender County. I knew you grew a little bit there.
Yes, we acquired a new franchise.
Tell me a little bit about ServPro. What do you do?
So we offer a variety of services, but we specialize in fire and water restoration, mold remediation, and we also handle repairs if that's something a customer would like.
So when you're having the worst day of your life, ServPro's kind of there to walk you through it, right?
We try to get you back like it never even happened.
Oh, I like that. Well, I know I've used your services in the past, and it was literally painless. So
I'm glad to hear.
Thank you very much for ServPro and what you do. I see where it's hurricane prep tips you have here, because unfortunately we do live in a beautiful area, but there are always things like the hurricane, the big H word, coming
Of
through.
course, we hope we have a mild season, but June 1st kicks off hurricanes, so never too early to prepare. We all had a rough year, so panic's kind of set in. So if you prepare early, it'll help ease, the stress of the storms. I grab a gallon of water each time you go to the store, and that way when the shelf's empty, you're not one of the people that are without the necessary items.
What are some of the other tips?
Well, a big one that we get a lot of calls for is either when people fill up their bathtubs, they start multitasking, so we'll get calls before the storms because where they left their bathtub and it overflowed. A big one is ice maker. If they go out of town, empty the ice maker because it will ruin your floors once if the power goes out and the ice starts melting. So those are just a couple simple things you can do. Make sure you have batteries, flashlights ready, handy. Test your generator before the season starts. Just make sure everything's running properly and don't need any updates on it.
So are there papers or things that you need to kind of put aside in case of anything like fire damage or hurricanes or whatever?
Very good question. As we saw with Florence, a lot of people left town and then could not get back in town. Make sure you have your policy number for your insurance in case you need any of that. If you own your own business or run a business or have employees, make sure you have a direct contact for them so you can, follow procedures getting back to work or touching base with your employees, making sure they're safe. Any other important documents that you may need, anything for your house, if always have a plumber number and stuff ready in case you need those. Put it on a flash drive or put it in a fire safe.
So the first call, I know most people make it to the insurance company and then they think they have to wait to do any mitigation. Is that true? Can they call you guys right away?
If it's an emergency loss, you can call us right away. If it's something that's been sitting for days, we can come take a look at it, go through next steps, and we communicate with the insurance. So we take a lot of that headache off your hands. We communicate with them, get the estimates approved, and do whatever's necessary. As we saw with Florence, if you can't get somebody out there right away, you can start doing your own mitigation as far as just getting up the water if you can. Mold grows very fast, so you want to get that taken care of right away. We are 24/7, 365, so if we do have a storm, we're ready for service as soon as the storm passes.
Again, people that want to contact you, how do they contact ServPro?
So we have a 24-hour line, 910-755-6717. They can also visit our website at ServPro of Brunswick and South Columbus counties. Our emergency number is also listed on there.
Wonderful. Well, Heather, thank you so much for being on Faces of Commerce today. And we hope people don't necessarily have disasters, but if they do, we're very happy that you are here to help them.
Well, thank you for having us, and we're always here to help.
Thank you.